All right, let's make some more spray paint art. Whatcha? First, we're gonna start off, spray it around the edges, boom, 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 like that. We're gonna make a planet. We're gonna use some fluorescent orange and yellow. Spray that in there. Lots of color, bam, bam, bam. Fluorescent pink. Finally, some red. Grab our magazine, swipe it. We're gonna swipe it a little bit more. We're gonna dab it, like that. Add a dusting of pink to the planet. Now we're gonna add some shading, some black. Put our planet down. So add some red in the middle. Gonna do a bit of yellow here, maybe a little bit of yellow there, maybe a little bit of orange, a little bit of orange. Kick it off with some fluorescent yellow on the sides there, nice. Maybe a little bit of fluorescent orange. Let's add in a bit more red in general. Cover it all up with some black. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna add some flare to the sky. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna swipe it like that. Some more yellow. There we go, that's better. Gonna add some red. We're gonna add a little bit of orange. Maybe add a touch more red. Maybe a touch more yellow on the edge. Just a little bit of random redness. Maybe over there too. Now we're gonna grab our clear coat and we're going to cover it and make some cities. All right, grab your putty now. Let's get to work. Here we go. Bam. Oh yeah, nice red building. Let's go. Add a little smaller building on here. Look at those buildings form. We're gonna add a few more buildings down low here, make it pop a little bit. So we're just gonna do some random stuff here. Add like another little building here. Maybe another little building here. Another little building there. We're gonna add some stars. Add a little bit of highlight here to our planet. Maybe we'll do a little bit of orange. All the colors we use for the cityscape, we're gonna use in the water. Here we go. Start off with some white. Now some red along the edges of the white. Do some of that neon yellow, neon yellow, neon orange, neon orange. A little bit of regular orange. Mist it in there a little bit. And some more red. A little bit more yellow. You just swipe it. Just like that. Now let's take a little bit more yellow, a little bit more orange, a little bit more red. Swipe it again. Not quite how I wanted it to turn out. Almost like mud. That's all one needs is just a little bit of blue. That'll surely help. Probably not. Let's add a little bit more of that yellow. Now let's see what we got. There we go. That's looking better. Nice. See, we made it happen. Now we're gonna add a little bit of fog to our city line here. We want to spray at. We're gonna add a little mist to the water as well. Do a little something like that. A little something like that. Out into the water. We're just having fun, chat. Now we're gonna add a little bit of darkness here to the edges, just a tad, to give it a little bit of shading. That looks dope. Now for the reveal. Bam. Take our clear coat, cover it, and sign it. Bam. Sign it up. Boom, there we go. Ta-da!